dear students. Welcome back to our third session of lesson 1, that is food components. Let's recapitulate our previous session where we have discussed about test for proteins, roughage, its sources and function, and finally about water and its usefulness to our body. Let's go forward with our next topic, balanced diet. What is balanced diet? The food that contains all the nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals in a proper proportion is called balanced diet. How to make your diet balanced? Taking green salads and vegetables every day. Taking foods like cereals, pulses, milk, etc. adequately. Taking a bit of fat, that is oil, ghee, butter, etc. If a person eats dal, rice, rotis, green vegetables, little oil and jaggery daily, all the food requirements of the body are fulfilled. Is having a balanced diet really costly? Scientists have found out that a balanced diet need not necessarily be costly. Everyone can afford it, even the poor. Considering the substitutes which are widely available, the cost of diet can be really low. Example, ragi, oats, rice, and fruits like guava, papaya, etc. We need to observe that to retain the nutrients, food should be cooked in a proper way. Overcooking, reheating many times, deep frying, washing vegetables after cutting into small pieces destroy the nutrients in them. Food pyramid. Foods like cereals, pulses, milk, etc. should be taken adequately. Fruits, leafy vegetables, and vegetables should be taken plenty. Cooking oils and animal foods should be used moderately. Vanaspati, ghee, butter, cheese must be used sparingly. It was shaped like a pyramid to suggest that a person should eat more foods from the bottom of the pyramid and fewer foods from the top of the pyramid. Avoid junk foods. The food which contain high amounts of sugar, fat and less vitamins and minerals is called junk food. That means we are taking large amount of unhealthy calories in the form of food. Consumption of junk food leads to obesity. It damages our digestive system, leads to constipation and prone to many diseases like heart diseases, kidney failure and certain cancers. History of food and nutrition. The founder of modern science of nutrition was Frenchman named Lavoisier, whose contributions paved new ways to nutrition research. In the year 1752, James Lind discovered scurvy, which could be cured by eating fresh fruits and vegetables. In 19th century, it was known that the body obtained three substances, namely protein, fats and carbohydrates from the food. Let us summarize the highlights of the lesson. In this lesson, we have learnt about essential components of food like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, raw phase and its sources, how water useful to our body, the importance of balanced diet and the harmful effects of junk foods, and the history of food and nutrition. With this, we have completed our first lesson. Thank you.